Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create a shortcut to kill not responding programs instantly. So simple and basic way to create this shortcut. Open Notepad. Now type this command I will give in description. Also you can type this command task kill space slash f space slash fi, then space quotation mark status eq not responding this mark, then click on file and click on save as. Now here you have to give any name like kill apps and select the location where you want to save this file like desktop, so it's easy to access this file. And in the last, make sure you have to type bat, B-A-T. It's necessary, give any name, but in the last you have to type .bat and save as type, so select all files, then save it. Now once you see any file is not responding, so double click on it. Now guys, once you see any file is not responding, so double click on this shortcut. So this way guys, you can create a shortcut to kill not responding program. Thanks for watching. Comment this whether work for you or not.